If you're a gamer, completing your gaming setup couldn't be easier. If you want to play a game while watching TV, simply hold the button and say,
"Switch to the game console."
Your TV's input will be changed to game console now. Picture and sound will be changed to game mode.
You can also use ThinQ to elevate your gaming experience. Without using the remote, just say, "Hi LG, turn up the volume." With hands-free voice control, you don't need to pause any gaming sessions. This is it. This is ThinQ AI, LG's intelligent assistant. All from your TV, all powered by your voice.